Hello and welcome to CreArtive by Nature. My name is Donna. Today I am participating in the Useful DIY Challenge Painted Project, hosted by Mom from MomDas Life Handmade and co-hosted by Janny and Dyanne from Deco Easy. Here I am going to be showing you how I paint my art journal covers. I'm just doing a quick loose sketch of a leaf pattern. This is a really great way to personalize any journal. Now I am just writing the word create on the bottom corner of the cover of my journal. Okay, now I am going to be applying gesso to just the sections where I have the pencil. You could use clear or black. I suggest using this. It just helps the paint to adhere, so over time it doesn't flake off. As I said, I'm only going to be filling in the parts where I'm going to be applying paint. Okay, while my gesso is drying, I am now going to be taking a paint marker. I've already activated it. I'm going to be going over the letters of my word create. Okay, so now I'm going to be using a round brush and I'm going to start applying paint to my leaves. I'm keeping my brush strokes very loose and choppy. I'm not going for realism here. I'm just trying to create the look of leaves. So just continue to add short choppy strokes with your brush, and I'm going to be mixing my colors back and forth. I will have the list of the colors I am using listed in the description box. I'm going to continue to layer my paint colors. Occasionally I let each color dry in between. If you start to get kind of a muddied look, just let things dry completely and you can start all over again. Here I am just going in with a lighter color, and you'll just see how I just keep layering, keep mixing slightly using short choppy strokes. Now I'm going to be taking a pencil and scratching into my wet paint. What this does is just gives texture, and you'll see the veins of the leaf. I really like to add this technique to my paintings. It just kind of gives it a unique touch. As I'm letting my leaves dry, I'm going to go back over my word create with my paint pen marker. I was just finding that you could see the black coming through underneath, so I thought adding one more layer of the paint marker would cover that, and it did do the trick. Now I'm going to be going in with a finer round brush, and I'm going to be applying paint to my stem. Again, I'm using short, choppy strokes. I am not going for perfection here. Just as I did with my leaves, I'm going to be mixing my colors. You can go back and add any extra touches that you feel you need. Here I felt like my leaves weren't quite connected to the stem, so I'm just adding a little bit more paint. I decided to add a little bit of a green shimmery paint. I just wanted it to just brighten up my piece. I'm just adding little strokes and then smudging it in with my finger. You don't have to do this step. I just like the look that it gave my piece. I'm going to be doing the same with my stem, but I'm using a gold shimmery paint. I'm just smudging the paint with the back end of my paintbrush. And here is my completed journal cover. I can't wait to start working in this book. I want to say a big thank you to MomDas. I always enjoy this challenge that you host. And I also want to thank Janny and Dyanne. Thank you to all my fellow participants. Please see the playlist below for additional participant videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.